In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a booking page on your website using the Wix Hotels app. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to be in your Wix site editor. You'll notice the left sidebar, and this is where we'll start. Head over there and click on Add Apps. This is where you can find and integrate various applications to enhance your site's functionality. In the search bar, type in Wix Hotels. This app, powered by Hotel Runner, will be your go-to for managing hotel bookings directly from your site. After the search brings up the results, look for Wix Hotels by Hotel Runner and click on Add to Site next to it. You'll be prompted to agree to some terms, so just hit Agree and Add, and then you'll continue by selecting Go to Editor. It's essential to save your work, so go ahead and click Save in the top right corner of the editor screen. With Wix Hotels added, you now have a new page on your site called Book a Room. Here is where the customization magic happens. Click on the booking page element on this new page. You'll see a settings option pop up which allows you to dive into various customization tools. In these settings, you can modify the display options to make sure everything looks cohesive with your brand. Adjust the text, colors, and overall design. This step is essential for presenting a seamless and professional look to your guests. Once you're satisfied with the design, you'll move away from the editor to your site's dashboard. This is your command center for all site activities. In the dashboard, find the Wix Hotels app. It might have a gear icon next to it, which indicates additional settings. Click on it to open up the dashboard specific to Wix Hotels. Now you're entering the setup phase for your hotel booking system. Start with the General Info section. Here, you'll add details such as the number of rooms you have available and a brief description of your property. This information is crucial for giving potential guests an accurate picture of what you offer. After general information, it's time to define your room types. Specify the capacity, giving clear details about how many guests each room can accommodate. You'll also want to assign a unique display name for each room type and set a base price. This helps guests easily identify and choose the room that best fits their needs. To make your rooms even more appealing, detail the specific amenities each one includes. Consider adding information about the views, bed types, or any electronics featured in the room, anything that can make your offerings stand out. Remember, a picture speaks louder than words, so upload high-quality photos of each room type. Finally, set a date range for when each room is available. This ensures that your guests can only book rooms that are actually free during their desired dates, preventing any booking mishaps. And there you have it. Your booking page is now set up and customized to meet your brand style and needs. Stay tuned for more tutorials and have a great day optimizing your website with Wix Technologies.